Hi, Sheryl Loch here for hotblogtips.com, and in this video we're going to walk through how to add a channel trailer to your YouTube channel page. If you've never had a trailer added, then there's a couple of extra steps. When you first log in and go to your channel page, we're going to go right up to the right hand corner under your channel art and find a little pencil. Click on the pencil, hit Channel Navigation. When you come to this page, you're going to see at the very top, it says Browse. You must enable Browse. Once you've enabled that, slide all the way down, click Save. Now you will see we have the option here, plus Channel Trailer. So we're going to click this. It's going to bring up a list of all the videos you have uploaded. You can choose from starting to sort newest, most viewed, or under 2 minutes. I know my trailer's under 2 minutes and it'll make sorting easier. When you find the video you want as your trailer, click on it. You'll notice you get a grayed out area. Slide all the way down, click Save. Now you have your channel trailer on the home page of your YouTube channel. If at any time you would like to change it, click the pencil, Change Trailer, Remove Trailer. If you click Remove Trailer, you don't have to go through the first step again, as you'll have the button right here to start all over sorting through videos. So thank you for watching. We hope this has helped.